for those who were here early enough, we already went through the red carpet. Today we are here for another edition of OTAO Expo, a CivilSalt initiative, and this is an annual tech exhibition program where CivilSalt come up with new products to solve our problems, like we have seen some today. And I hope you were blessed today. Josh Charisma has said it, that the next thing you need after a program like this is not the next program, it is the first step. I just want to encourage us, if you have not acquired a skill that people need, you get to learn the skills that people are looking for. And in that way, we are going to make a difference in our community. We are going to create that community that we want to have. Keep your expectations high. Be open to learn, be open to ask questions, enjoy yourself, make the most of your experiences today. OTAO Expo!
To the stars and beyond!
We are going to be inviting our network engineer, the cyber security specialist, Mr. Bandage to help us handle the next set of questions.
Let's go. E, X.